All right, now we're on 4.4. Let me get my extra layer in there. There we go. We're going to write half steps and whole steps on the staff. So, a sharp, now here's a reminder, a sharp or flat is going to apply to the note that follows it, and all the following notes of the same letter name in that measure. So here's our example. This is sharp. This is also sharp. You don't have to write it though because it's still in the same measure. If it's in a different measure, you have to rewrite the sharp. Okay, so we're going to identify these pairs as whole or half steps. And we're going to use this lovely keyboard down here because you need that. The staff itself doesn't tell you. So we have A and G sharp. Here's my A. Here's my G sharp. Whole or half step? Half step. There's nothing in between them. I'm going to do one more, and then you guys do the rest. F sharp and E. Here's my F sharp. Here's my E. Anything in between? Yep. Therefore, whole step. Remember, bass clef. Go and continue and finish the rest of those. Now we're going to look at here, still keeping that keyboard in view because that helps us. We are going to write the notes ourselves on the staff. So we're able to decipher whole and half steps on the staff, again using the keyboard still. Now we're going to write them ourselves. So we need to first find a half step down from this note. This note is A. We need to go down one half step. And so that would be right here. We're going to go ahead and put on this line. So it's on the G line. To get that note, we have to make it a G sharp. Okay, next one, whole step up. Here's our step. Let's see, how do we get a whole step from B flat? Get rid of that. So here's our B flat. We get a whole step, so that's two half steps. One, and then start back over here, two. That is just a plain old C. We don't need to add anything to that. I'll do one more on bass clef, and then you do the rest. Half step down, alright, I did a half step down. Let's do whole step down, this one here. So this is bass clef, A sharp, A sharp. Now we need to go down, so you need to go left on the keyboard. A whole step is two half steps, one, two. So there's my step down. That is a G sharp. And you can continue the rest on your lonesome.